In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Zoom meeting on your laptop or computer. Whether you're taking an online class, attending a work call, or just want to save an important conversation, knowing how to record your Zoom meetings is really useful. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, explain what each setting means, and share a few tips to make sure your recordings turn out clear and easy to find later. First, open Zoom on your computer and sign in to your account. You can either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Recording options only appear once you're actually inside a meeting, so make sure you're fully connected, with your audio and video set up the way you like. Once you're in the meeting window, look along the bottom toolbar. You should see a button labeled Record. On some versions, you might see a small arrow next to it with a choice like Record on this computer or Record to the cloud. If you're using a basic free account, you'll usually record directly to your computer. Go ahead and click Record on this computer. As soon as you click it, Zoom will start recording the meeting. You'll see a small recording indicator, usually in the top left corner. This lets you know everything on screen and any audio allowed by the host is being captured. If you ever need to pause without stopping completely, use the pause button on the recording controls. When you're ready to continue, click Resume. This creates one continuous file without starting over. If you're the host, you control who can record. If you're a participant and don't see the record button, the host may need to give you permission. Always make sure everyone in the meeting is okay with being recorded, especially in professional or classroom environments. When you're finished, don't just close your laptop. Click Stop Recording in the controls or end the meeting. After the meeting fully ends, Zoom will automatically convert the recording. A small window will pop up showing the conversion process. Let it finish. This step turns the raw recording into a video file you can play. Once conversion is complete, Zoom will open the folder where your recording is saved. By default, this is usually inside a Zoom folder on your computer. From there, you can rename the file, move it to another folder, or upload it to cloud storage or a sharing platform so others can watch it later.